That is chucking it. Look at the gutters. Our gutter's currently overflowing.
Yeah, but probably isn't working at all. It's just pouring out.
Bloody.
I hope she doesn't open her back door.
Oh, it looks like the gardens are flooding, man. Wow. Whoops. Gotta take the front. Look at that. It's the waterfall coming from our gutters. Just gonna check the downstairs. Pause that. Downstairs now. If you look at the bathroom, probably get the best view once I've opened the window. Keep going for the cat flap. That is torrential. Close that window. That was coming in the house. Blimey. Never in my life have I seen rain like that. The 20 years I've been alive, I have never ever seen that. Our gutters are actually struggling to cope with the water, they're actually overflowing. Looks like it's calmed down a bit now. Wow.